Canva Code just got a major upgrade and it's perfect for the classroom. In this lesson, you'll explore how Canva Code blends creativity, real-time data, and personalization, so your students can take more ownership of their learning. You'll also get a look at how Canva Code connects with Canva Sheets to track progress and give instant feedback without adding new tools to your workflow. And if the word code has you looking up JavaScript, hold it right there. You can build interactive classroom tools without writing a single line of code. Want to wrap your head around the basics? Check out Transform Your Classroom with Canva Code to see how it all works in action. Designing with intention helps you teach with intention. That's the magic of Canva Code. You can tailor the learning experience so it truly works for your students. Canva Code makes it easy to build interactive, student-centered experiences, and you can see how it's working with real-time data. Every student group is different, and Canva Code helps you track progress, tweak activities, and keep learning responsive and relevant, no matter who's in the room. Let's explore how Canva AI can support creating custom classroom tools, like reading assessments. From the Canva homepage, navigate to Canva AI. Then select Code for Me. Here you'll see example prompts to explore, or you can check out your recent chats on the left-hand panel. Let's get started with a new chat. You can type in your idea like you're having a conversation, asking for a digital fluency timer tool. Once submitted, Canva Code gets to work. This might take a minute. While we wait, here's a quick tip. The more specific and structured your prompt, the more useful the output. Think about what the tool is, what it needs to do, and what the style is, and add all of that detail in. Now that our tool is ready, let's test it out. Back at the top, we'll enter a student name, select grade level 6, and reading level 6. Tap Load Passage to generate the text. Then we can start the timer and get reading. When the reading is done, hit Stop Timer and scroll down to the results section. Hit Save to record your results. Canva Code is designed to be collaborative, so it's easy to personalize your tool even more. Let's try adjusting the prompt, setting the topic of the passage. Canva Code will update the widget, adding a drop-down for selecting a topic. This means I can tailor the tool appealing to different students' interests. Nice! Canva Code now makes it easy to personalize your widgets. You can update fonts, colors, and even the title, all right in the editor. It's perfect for matching your classroom style, supporting accessibility, or making it feel more you. And once you plug it into Canva Sheets, it becomes a tool that adapts as students learn and helps them reflect along the way. You can customize the look and feel of your widget directly in the chat, making it more visual and engaging for students. Let's ask Canva AI to add some icons and make it green. It'll take a moment to load. And there we go, it's looking way better. Over in the chat, you'll notice version history buttons. Tap version 2 to see how the widget looked like before. Then go back to version 3 to compare the improvements. With Canva Code, it's up to you how much of the behind-the-scenes code you see. Just use this toggle to view or hide it. When you're happy with the result, select Use in Design and choose Whiteboard. You can easily resize the widget by double-clicking on it, then dragging the corners or sides, depending on how you want it to look. Let's try it out. I'll add a student name, then use the drop-down to select a reading level. Okay, let's jump ahead. Imagine we've already had students use the tool. Here's where you'll find the results. Head over to the Data tab and select the connected sheet, which updates as your widget is used. This is where all your students' saved results is automatically stored, allowing you to see their progress. So far, we've touched on Canva Code for teachers, but students can and should create with it too. Think about what it takes to create a widget. When students go through the full process, coming up with an idea, outlining how it works, and building it themselves with Canva Code, they think deeply, make decisions, and apply what they've learned in meaningful ways. Here's how students can get hands-on with Canva Code. Students love learning with a game, especially one they create themselves. I'll show you how they can do that with Canva AI. Starting from the student's homepage, go to Canva AI, then select Code for Me. Let's say the teacher has asked their 8th grade students to create a game for social studies class. Here's a prompt that they could use, creating an interactive Would You Rather game. Remember, students can be conversational, but the more detail, the more specific the result will be. Coding takes time, which gives students a real sense that this isn't a shortcut. It's a collaborative tool that still requires work. Okay, the game is loaded. So students can pick one of 2 options, all related to what they're studying. Now let's build on it. You can easily make tweaks by writing in the Canva AI chat. That's looking great. This game goes beyond being a fun digital tool. It'll prompt real debate and active learning in the classroom. We can ask Canva AI for how many rounds we want and to have the instructions at the top. It's looking great. And finally, let's make it even more engaging. In the chat, type "make the game a bit more visual" with a photo or graphic for options A and B. Now you can see how visual elements really bring the activity to life. With just a few thoughtful prompts, we've transformed lesson content into a classroom-ready game. How about that? A hands-on, data-centric approach that allows students to own their learning journey and make it uniquely theirs. Canva Code lets them think like creators and product owners. And let's be honest, there's something meaningful about creating something of your own. The second they realize they can build something their classmates can actually use, you'll start hearing, wait, can I make another one? All right, let me show you one more thing. Let's bring our widget into a collaborative space. You could have all your students put their tools here, testing them out together. Starting from the result we created earlier, tap Use in Design, then choose Whiteboard. Here you can brainstorm, plan, or co-create, and have multiple students working at once. You might see a sticky note being added, or a quick comment being left behind. Now let's jump back to the Fluency Tracker widget we created for teaching, and I'll show you how to share it with students or colleagues. Go to Publish, then change this to something easy to remember, like Fluency Tracker. In the settings, you can make your Publish widget visible or invisible in search engines, or even add SSO, single sign-on, password protection to restrict access. Once you're happy with those, select Continue to publish. It's now ready to go. You could also copy the URL to share with other teachers and show them the possibilities of teaching with Canva Code. With Canva Code, you can build learning experiences your students actually want to be a part of. Interactive, flexible, and easy to shape as you go. Whether it's a tool for the whole class or something custom for a group that keeps you on your toes, you've got options. To help you get started, we've pulled together handy resources, templates, and examples so you can bring what you've learned straight into your classroom without the Sunday night scramble. We can't wait to see what you'll create.